Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to rotate and flip video in CapCut. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to open CapCut on your device. Import the video you would like to edit. As you can see, I have this beautiful video, so select the video. Then scroll down until you can see an edit button. Now you will see 3 different buttons we can rotate the video 90 degrees by clicking here. And if you want to flip the video, click on mirror. Now the video will be flipped from the right side to the left side. That's how you can rotate and flip a video in CapCut. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.